California car insurance, auto insurance coverage in California. If you just move in a California and need auto insurance coverage, or you have been here for a while and are looking for a cheap car insurance that does not cut corners, you will be glad you got a quote with GEICO. So how much is car insurance in California for your ride? You can get a free car insurance quote with Geico online to find out. California also has some unique car insurance laws that make insuring a vehicle here different than other states, so read on to stay up to speed. Minimum California car insurance coverage. California requires drivers to carry at least the following auto insurance coverages: bodily injury liability coverage, $15K per person to $30,000 per accident minimum. Property damage liability coverage, $5,000 minimum. Uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage, $15,000 per person, $30,000 per person per accident minimum. uh, while these are the minimum coverages, California requires you to have everyone's insurance need are unique. Visit our coverage calculator to get the personalized recommendation. California car insurance laws for new resident. If you are moving to the state, the California Drive Handbook is a good resource. It's published by the Department of Motor Vehicle. It can provide you with guidance on registering your car, obtaining a California driver's license, and important state rule of the road. Learn more about the California auto insurance requirements. What is a California deductible waiver? If you carry collision coverage on your car, then you may eligible for the California deductible waiver. With this waiver, your insurance company will pay the collision deductible on your car. If an uninsured driver cause an accident, California registration information, your vehicle may be subject to California registration from the date of entry. Fees must be paid within 20 days from the date the vehicle entered the California to avoid penalties. You will need to complete application for title or registration. Submit your out of state registration certificate. Submit your out of state title if you have it. Provide evidence of the California smoke certification. Provide an odometer mileage certification. If your vehicle is less than 10-year old, bring your vehicle to DMV office for verification of the vehicle identification number. For your convenience, we recommended that you schedule an appointment by calling your local DMV. Pay the fees. Commercial vehicles, including pickup trucks, may also require a weight certificate. Existing law impose a use tax on a vehicle purchased outside of California and brought into California within 12 months of purchase. New legislation effective October 1st, 2004 through July 1st, 2006 requires the payment of use tax on a vehicle purchased outside the California and brought into California within 365 days of purchase date. What do I do if get up California intend to suspend registration letter? If the state of California cannot confirm that you have insurance on your vehicle, you may receive a letter stating that they plan to cancel your car registration. This can happen if the state uh, does not have the correct VIN, vehicle identification number, on the file. If your California or out of state insurance coverage has lapsed, or if there is an error in the information that the state of California received. If you are a current Geico policy holder and the California DMV has informed you that providing proof of insurance is enough, you can easily obtain the document through our Geico mobile app. If you are not a Geico policy holder and would like to know how much it would be obtain California car insurance, you can get a code today. Car insurance discount in California. CA California good driver discounts. Good driver deserve